Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can view Snap on Snapchat multiple times. So usually Snapchat only allows you to view snaps on Snapchat only one time. In this video, I'll be showing you a method. By following the steps, you'll be able to see or view snaps on Snapchat multiple times. In order to follow this method, make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So the first thing, you need to make sure that I've already updated your application to the latest version. And after updating your application, log in into your Snapchat account. Once you're logged into your account, you'll be taken to the home page, and now click on the chat icon. Now what you need to do is, first thing, before you open up the Snap, you need to turn off your Wi-Fi. You need to get disconnected with your internet connection, and after that open up the Snap that the other person has sent you. Once you've seen the Snap, now you need to head back and then you need to close this application. After that, clear your cache. In order to clear cache, long press on your Snapchat and then click on the eye icon, and then you'll be taken to app info page. On that page, you need to click on storage and cache. Once you do this, now you need to clear cache as well as clear storage. Keeping in mind, after you clear storage, you'll be logged out of your account. So before you do this, make sure that you know your login credential. Now sometimes clearing your cache might be able to fix the issue. If not, then after that you can simply uninstall your application and then reinstall it once again, and you need to log in into your account. As you can see that the Snap seems to be unseen, and that is how you can see Snap on Snapchat multiple times. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.